She's done a pull.
Start it again there.
Hold on.
I am videoing her. Everybody gets out their iPhone.
All that old sweater.
All right. All right. Stop being a bully.
That's hilarious. Why is it not doing anything?
Hey.
Don't you hurt him. Don't you hurt him, Sasha. Okay, pick him up.
She didn't know what to make of it, huh?
Come here. Oh, you poor thing. You're going to be skittish for the rest of the day now.